fun. My story. Let's learn English through stories. My family. I live with my family. My family has 4 people: my mom, my dad, my brother, and me. My mom loves to cook. She makes the best spaghetti. My dad likes to fix things. He fixed my bike last week. My brother is younger than me. He likes to play soccer. I love my family. We spend time together and make each other happy. My morning routine. Every morning, I wake up at a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I eat breakfast. I usually have cereal with milk. After breakfast, I pack my bag for school. I put on my shoes and wait for the school bus. My mornings are always busy. A day at the park. I love going to the park. The park has green grass and tall trees. I like to swing on the swings and slide down the slide. I also ride my bike on the path. Sometimes, I see ducks in the pond. The park is a fun place to play. My birthday party. My birthday party was so much fun. My friends came to my house. We played games and ate cake. The cake had chocolate frosting. My parents gave me a new bike. Everyone sang the birthday song for me. It was the best day ever. My dream job. I want to be a teacher. Teachers help students learn. I like helping my friends with homework. I want to teach math and science. I will have a big classroom with lots of books. Being a teacher is my dream job. My weekend morning. On weekends, I wake up late. I eat pancakes and drink milk. After breakfast, I watch cartoons. My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry. I play with my toys after that. Weekend mornings are relaxing and fun. My morning walk. I go for a walk every morning. The air is fresh, and the birds sing. I see flowers and trees along the way. Sometimes, I see people walking their dogs. Morning walks make me feel happy and healthy. My school lunch. My school lunch is always tasty. I bring a sandwich, an apple, and some juice. Sometimes, I have pasta or rice. I eat lunch with my friends in the cafeteria. We laugh and talk while we eat. Lunch is my favorite part of the school day. A visit to the zoo. I went to the zoo last weekend. I saw lions, tigers, and monkeys. The monkeys were funny and jumped around. I also saw colorful parrots. My favorite animal was the giraffe. The zoo was an exciting place to visit. My hobby. I like to draw. Drawing is my hobby. I draw animals, flowers, and trees. Sometimes I use crayons. Sometimes I use markers. Drawing makes me feel calm and happy. I hang my drawings on the wall in my room. Drawing is my favorite thing to do after school. My house. I live in a small house. It has 3 rooms, a living room, a bedroom, and a kitchen. The living room has a sofa and a TV. My bedroom has my bed and toys. Our kitchen smells like delicious food. I love my house. A rainy day. I like rainy days. The sky is gray, and the rain falls softly. I wear my raincoat and boots. I jump in puddles with my friends. After playing, I drink hot chocolate. Rainy days are cozy and fun. My pet. I have a pet cat named Lily. Lily is white with black spots. She loves to sleep on my bed. She also likes to chase strings. I feed her every morning and evening. Lily purrs when I pet her. She is my best companion. My best trip. Last summer, I went to the beach. The sand was warm, and the water was cool. I built a big sandcastle with my brother. We ate ice cream and watched the waves. I saw a beautiful sunset. It was the best trip of my life. My weekend. On the weekend, I like to relax. I sleep late and eat pancakes for breakfast. I play with my friends at the park. Sometimes, I watch movies with my family. We eat popcorn and laugh together. Weekends are my favorite part of the week. My school. I go to Maple Elementary School. My school has big classrooms and a playground. My teacher is kind. She teaches us math, reading, and science. I like recess the most. I play tag with my friends. School is a place where I learn and have fun. Thank you. Like and follow for more English